Apple CarPlay is a feature that transfers the display and control of some of your iPhone's functions to the vehicle's center display screen. Because it also handles hands-free phone and streaming functions, Apple CarPlay overrides the Bluetooth system when connected. For a full list of available functions and iPhone model compatibility, visit www.apple.com/iOS/CarPlay. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. To use Apple CarPlay, ensure Siri is enabled on your device. Touch Settings, Siri and Search, then these icons. To connect to Apple CarPlay wirelessly, you must first connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network as well as the vehicle's Bluetooth. To connect to Bluetooth, press the menu button, touch Connections, Devices, and Add New. A message will appear on your vehicle's screen directing you to perform the following procedure on your device. Touch Settings, Bluetooth, then the name of your vehicle. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. Then, on your device, touch Pair, Allow, then use CarPlay. A notification will appear on your vehicle's screen. Touch Yes to use Apple CarPlay. If wireless connection is not available, connect your iPhone using the cable that came with your device to a USB port. After your phone is recognized by the system, you can view the Apple CarPlay screen by touching this icon. Touch here to display a list of available apps and touch to select. Touch this icon to return to the Apple CarPlay main menu. Press the menu button to return to normal vehicle functions. To return to the Apple CarPlay screen, touch the Apple CarPlay icon on the launch bar. You may change the settings so that Apple CarPlay will not automatically connect every time your phone is plugged into your vehicle. To adjust these settings, press the menu button, touch Connections, Devices, this information icon, Smartphone Projection, then Startup Options to adjust the settings. From this menu, you can also touch Vehicles Help for Apple CarPlay for a list of helpful tips. From the Devices menu, you can touch to switch to a different device. To access Siri while connected to Apple CarPlay, touch and hold this icon on your screen. Some Siri functions are not available while driving. For best results when using Siri, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows and moonroof, if so equipped. Also, direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. To exit Siri operation, touch this key on the Apple CarPlay screen. If Apple CarPlay does not automatically connect, check your device to make sure Siri is enabled, Bluetooth is enabled, and Apple CarPlay is enabled. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.